Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have this old Stihl 023. It was sitting here in my garage for maybe more than 2 years. I didn't have time to repair it, so let's see what's going on with it. I cleaned it a little bit off camera and put some gas in it, just so you guys can see what's going on. Let's try to start it now. Let's engage the brake, choke on. As you can see, it sounds like there is not enough fuel, and you can try to tune it a little bit, to tune carburetor, but it was sitting here more than 2 years and maybe more before that, and carburetor is probably gummed up, or maybe there is a bad fuel line, maybe fuel filter, or even diaphragms, like membranes. And stay with me guys, let's try to fix that together. Let's empty this tank. We need to use screwdriver. I will leave this. Even if I put new gasoline here, it smells like really bad, like rubber. So it's probably fuel line. Let's try to catch fuel filter. You can make yourself a tool like this. Oh yeah, fuel line is stiff. It's like plastic. Yeah, you can even see it's really bad. It's start to crack. Yeah. If filter seems good, you can reuse it. You can try to blow in it. Let's clean it a little bit. Yeah, we will try to reuse it. Let's take off the carburetor. Let's see what's happening there. I just clean it. That is why it's look like that. Oh, this is interesting. It's for changing the mode for winter and for summer. You put it like this for summer, or when outside is like really hot, so it can block hot air coming from the cylinder. to the air filter. But if it's cold outside, you turn it and put it like this. Interesting. And here is our carburetor, and you can see a fuel line. Let's take everything apart. These two nuts are 8 millimeters. So let's take them out. Take them off. You can apply chalk if you fear something will fall inside of the cylinder. Let's take this choke lever off now. It's similar to 180 Stihl. You pull your carburetor a little bit backwards and this just slide off. To remove this gas throttle linkage, you just press full throttle, then you pry it with something. Oh! And that's how you lose your throttle linkage. I managed to find mine. Let's take this throttle and the choke lever shaft off, pry it like this. It can be a little bit tricky. Don't break this part. If you manage to break this part, that's called that red part, you need to change whole this orange part, handle and everything. Still, it's Volbro, it's not Zama. On new one, 230, it's probably Zama carburetor. Let's try to take this fuel line out. Let's see in which direction I should pull it. Probably upwards. Oh. Yeah, it smells so bad. If you pull a little bit harder, it will probably break apart. Yeah. new one is shiny, and it go like this. You turn this side left. So let's grease it a little bit, oil it up a little bit. Let's see, can we manage to put it back? It's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit dark in there. Let's put back our fuel filter. Now let's see what's happening with our carburetor. Let's spray it a little bit with carburetor cleaner, so I can blow it with air compressor. Let's take off this pump side. Yeah, it looks really clean. Let's check this little screen. Yeah, it looks really clean. Maybe I cleaned it before like two 2 years ago and I forgot. I'm not sure. Now let's take this meter in diaphragm to see is it stiff or maybe I changed it in the past. Yeah, this is problem. Can you hear this, guys? And that's not my fingers. This diaphragm need to be really flexible. This one is not. Sometimes I use ultrasonic cleaner, but this carburetor seems really clean. Let's find new diaphragm. I don't have a full set of new diaphragms, I only have this metering one. You see how is this flexible? But let's try to reuse this gasket. There is nothing wrong with that. First, let's check, does it hold the pressure? When you work on the two-stroke carburetors, you need a tool like this. So you can check, does it hold the pressure? Connect it with the fuel connection. Let's see, do I need a bigger? Yeah, I probably need a bigger one. Let's check. Sometimes you will have some small leaks around this pumping side, especially when carburetor is empty. You can leave it like this. and take your soapy water. Maybe I put a bad connector. Yeah, it is a bad connector. Let me try a different one. This one is broken, but if I put it deep enough, it will be okay. You can press your needle. Yeah, needle was a little bit stuck. Yeah, needle is a little bit problematic. Let's take it off. There is a little spring, don't lose it. Yeah, let's clean this. It's best if you can find a set of diaphragms with the needle and change everything, but I don't have that right now, so I will try to reuse this one. There's a little spring. Let's try to make this spring a little bit stiffer, a little bit stronger, just a little bit. And this can be a little bit tricky. I find it best when you do it like this. First you put your spring there, maybe put a carburetor on something. That's even worse. Yeah, like this, it's standing. Then you reassemble this. Sometimes you will have a wear on this side. There is a little bit, but nothing to worry about. Don't over tight it. Let's check now. Yeah, it's empty carburetor, but fuel will stop those leaks if that have any sense. Yeah, we got to put our diaphragm back. First, there goes seal. Clean this part. Sometimes dust will go in this little hole and block the diaphragm from upper side. You can see that on my previous video. You can see it's still holding the pressure, so that's good. Our diaphragm didn't touch it. That's good. If you want to take this adjusting screws out, it's best for you when you turn them right in to see how many turns it have. Half, one, 1.25 probably. 1.5. So, and when you rebuild this Valbro carburetor like this, you can turn them 1.5 turns out. So let's see, 1.5. Let's put it back on the saw. I found this one-way valve from the Chinese chainsaw, and I will use it as a breather on the gas tank. Because this Stihl didn't have it. Somebody lose it. I hope this is not like in a way or of something. Pry this up like this, then you put this back. Oops, sorry. There is a hole for this choke lever. I put it wrong. Oh, I forgot this rubber part. Try to put it like this. If it's work, no. Let's pull it a little bit backwards. Don't over tie it, like you need to feel it. That's enough. And you try, does everything work? Choke, half choke, normal, dead, shut off. Let's put back air filter and put some gas in it and try to start it again. Let's see. Let's put this in summer mode. Prepare your screwdriver. It's late night and I don't want my neighbors to hate me. Tomorrow I will go outside and tune it a little bit more. But basically that's it. In some new videos I will make some detailed tutorials how you can tune up your carburetor. See you guys later and subscribe.